In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the options in the Chart Tools Design tab. So I have my chart created. I'm going to go to Chart Tools Design tab, and I want to draw your attention to this button over here that says Quick Layout. And as you can see, as you hover over the top of these various layouts, you'll notice that the layout of your chart area will change. And when you find a layout that you like, you can select it. I like this layout 2 right here, so I'm going to go ahead and select layout 2. And as you can see, I have my title, I have my legend, it brought in some data labels. This looks pretty good. Now the next button over says change colors. I'm going to hover over the top of the various color options. And once I see one that I like, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And you can see that the chart has been updated to reflect the new color. Now I want to draw your attention to this area right here in the Chart Styles group. I'm going to click More, and again, if you hover over the various chart styles, you can see what they would look like if you were to apply them. I like the Style 3, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, the chart has been updated. So that's it. That's how you can apply quick layout, colors, and styles.